this is Cherie from Just Nailed It, and this is a Glitter Girls collaboration video. Our theme is tropical flamingos. As you can see on my nails, I've already started with the tropical. I have got palm trees, and I don't think you can get much more tropical than that. I do have my flamingos here. These are all water slides because they covered the whole nail. Or you can trim them down, however you want to do it. Already did those three. Got our 2 flamingos floating in water. I have my Maniology Ice Cube Stamper. I do have a code for 10% off. So if you're interested in that, I'll have it across the bottom of the screen. I'll have the description box always, along with all my other discount codes. And any useful information you may find necessary to know. So we're going to jump right in. We're going to do our index finger first. Pick up your decal, dab it off on something lint-free to just take some of the water off. Line it upon your nail. And then I suggest getting your silicone tool. You're going to want to smooth the side of the nail. You could use your finger. However you want to do it. Try to get the wrinkles out. And it's hard sometimes because our nails are curved. So that makes some things a little bit more difficult. There is flamingo number 1. Dab, dab, dab. Excuse me. Also, slip and slide over now. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There we go. Get your wrinkles out. Dab, dab, dab. And here you're just left with the 2 backings. Get rid of those and any water you may have left behind. And there you have a beautiful yellow wrinkle. Oh, here it is. Okay there. We have our tropical mani with flamingos. So now I'm going to top coat and then I will be popping these in the lamp. I want to let you know that the palm trees that I have used are from Charlie's Nail Art Supply. I do have a discount code for that as well in the description box. I am an ambassador for them. So please use my code, save yourself some coins. Check out Charlie's Nail Art Supply. They have such high quality items with cheap prices. Check them out, check them out, check them out. I also have these ones here. Now the flamingos I used came from Full Beauty on AliExpress, where you get a pack, a couple different designs in there, some florals. So now let's top coat. I know I can't see so well. I don't have my reading glasses on. Oh, there goes notifications. Oh, I'm really sorry about that. Really sorry. Normally I film early in the morning. Now I'm filming like late morning. You know, and everybody's up on social media. I think these turned out really cute. I'm running out of top coat here. I'm trying to scrape the bottom of the barrel. There we go. There's a nice little bead. I think we can scrap this one. I'm gonna put these in the lamp, which I have a little. Let me put these on so I can actually see. A Melody Susie type little mini lamp. It's got the one little button. You push it for 60 seconds, but your hand can fit in here, but not these stands, the magnetic stands. My flexi hand does not fit in there. I have to hold it, hover above, which is no big deal. I think these are cute. It turned out well. I've never done these before with the full Manning. And I figured, why not? If it's a theme, I knew I had these. Just got the water slides from Charlie's recently. So I figured I'd use them. I think it's a cute little easy manicure. Easy breezy. If I haven't invited you already, and I don't think I have, please subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos, and if you're interested, subscribe, click the bell, click all the way, you get notified of all future videos. Turn this on for just another B30. I'm having a summer of giveaways. Every couple weeks I will start a new one. I have one running currently that is open to everyone, and I'll be drawing on July 1st. So look for the video. I can't even remember what it's called, unfortunately. It's sad. Okay, our nails are finished. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I think these are really cute. Really cute. Well, give it a thumbs up, a share, a like, a comment, subscribe. I think I covered all the bases. Well, this comes to an end of our video. Have a blessed day, and thank you.